I watched a video a while back, a couple of years ago, by Michael Palmer talking about you could take a laying queen from one hive and place her in a queen, or swap them with a queen from another laying hive, and they would immediately accept her and not kill her. I've always thought that was bullcrap. Well, moving this Caucasian queen to a 5-frame nuke, because this 3-frame is just jam-packed. Had a lady and a gentleman here to pick up a queen today, and I was going to sell the queen out of this side. Found out she was a Caucasian, so I decided not to sell her. Went to get the queen out of this side of the double 3-frame mating nuke. She flew off, closed the box back up, went and found him another queen. Come back, here I am 20 minutes, 30 minutes later, going through this hive, getting ready to move it into a 5-frame nuke so I can get it ready for winter. I have the Caucasian queen under here getting ready to mark her, because I have a problem seeing black queens. I've got 2 frames, 2 other frames for her to expand on, and was getting ready to put this frame over, and guess what I found? The queen, if I can find her again, from the other side flew into the wrong hive. She was just walking around on this frame and nobody was paying her any mind. She was looking for a place to lay. What kind of makes this a little more amazing is one being a Caucasian and one being a buckfast queen. Now she's gonna make a monkey out of me because she's not on the frame. No balling activity going on down in the box. So if you see her on the frame, yell out, because I'm not seeing her. Well, she's gonna make a monkey out of me while I'm filming a video. I'm gonna pause the video till I find her. Alright, she's down there in the box. I don't know if you can see her. She's right down there in the corner, just walking across the bottom. See her? Dead center of the picture. So, now my dilemma, what in the world do I do with her? I wonder if her original hive will accept her back. See her? Right there she is. She is definitely a buckfast queen. I think she needs to go back to her original colony though. But that just goes to prove that I guess Michael Palmer knows what he's talking about. I've always thought about trying it, but never had enough guts to try it. Where'd she go? She was just right there. Anyway, I got to get her out of there. Put her back in her original colony. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Share the videos. Guess I just proved Michael Palmer correct. Have a great day. Learning something new every day.